On today's menu is this seasonal summer take on a creme brulee that combines the world of peach crumbles with the sweet custard-rich world of creme brulee in a dish that I'm calling the Peach Crumble Creme Brulee. So let's dive into the kitchen to whip this up. First up on the prep list is to dice up your peaches for the custard base. Technically, I'm using yellow nectarines for this recipe just to be clear, but they're basically the same flavor profile as a good yellow peach. Just make sure they're super ripe for peak floral flavor. Transfer the diced nectarines to a pot that's on medium heat, then measure out the milk and heavy cream and pour that into the pot. Add your fresh vanilla beans, granulated sugar, and a very small pinch of salt and give this a good whisk. Heat the mixture to about 150 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. While that is heating up, I'm going to prep out the macerated nectarines or peaches that will be used within the creme brulee and as a garnish. Thinly and as neat as possible, slice the fruit up and fan it out onto a plate that's been sprinkled with a layer of sugar. Sprinkle the top of the fruit with another layer of sugar, then squeeze fresh lemon juice over the top and let this macerate while you continue to prep the custard. Next up, you're going to separate the yolks from the whites and place the yolks into a mixing bowl. Once the fruit is tender, mash or blend it together and give it a good strain to remove the skin and pulp. Slowly pour the now peach flavored cream into the yolks while constantly whisking until it's thoroughly combined. Now you're going to place a few slices of the macerated fruit into each bowl, then gently pour in the custard base right over the top until the bowl is a little more than half full. Torch the top of the custard to remove any air bubbles, then place this into a 325 degree Fahrenheit oven. Fill the tray with hot water and bake until the internal temp of the custard is around 170 degrees Fahrenheit. This should take about 45 minutes. Now it's time for the brown butter crumble topping. So add the butter to a pan that's on medium to high heat and get it to a dark brown color. It'll foam up just before it starts to really brown, so be on the lookout for that. Once that's done, add in the steel cut or rolled oats and toast those for about 30 seconds. Stir in the flour and remove this from the heat, then add in the sugar, crushed graham crackers for a really nice home touch to the crumble, along with a small pinch of nutmeg. Give this a really good mix, then you're going to pour this onto a tray, put it right back into the same oven as the creme brulee until it's crispy and slightly darkened. Once that creme brulee is finished cooking, you're going to remove it from the oven and let it chill in the fridge or in the freezer if you are in a rush until it has fully set up. At this point, the crumble topping should be good to go as well, so remove that and transfer it to a bowl and allow it to cool down to room temperature. Now it seems that everything is pretty much ready to go, so you're going to top the creme brulee with a thin layer of granulated sugar and torch it until it's dark golden brown and bubbly. Garnish with a few slices of the macerated fruit and a generous spoonful of the crumble topping to finish, and this is ready to be devoured. This dish is sure to impress just about anyone you share it with, and will definitely have them thinking about both creme brulee alternatives and seasonal crumble ideas alike. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this creative take on seasonal custards mixed with the world of crumbles, and would love to know your thoughts on it. So drop a comment letting me know how you would approach a dish like this. And if you did enjoy the recipe, give this video a like and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, stay creative in the kitchen, and I will see you with another recipe. Later, folks.